Okay, I don't know about where you live, but where I live, they're slowly closing all the 7-Elevens because of theft, or most of them. So you can't really find a Slurpee as quickly as you used to be able to. So I saw this at Walmart, and it was normally $15, and it was half off. So $7.50. But you can make your own Slurpees. But this made me laugh. Turns tasty drinks into slush with magic. I like that. Apparently you just put it in the freezer, wait 6 hours, pour something in there, squeeze it, and you got a slushy, Slurpee, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to put this in the freezer, and then I'll show you what it's like. Although I didn't really like this part of it. So, but thankfully I'm not in California. Okay, so let's see what this thing looks like. Yeah, when I was a kid, there were 7-Elevens everywhere, and now I'm not even sure where the nearest one is to me. It's a shame, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so there's your instructions. Or I guess that's a push for Kool-Aid. It feels very slushy. Okay, there's the straw and the spoon. Well, that's nice. Although I guess if it gives you that, it's not so nice, but what are you gonna do? I'm gonna live dangerously. Okay, so it looks like it's just a freezer pack shaped into a cup. Okay, I don't know what that's for. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for 6 hours, and then I'll come back and do part 2, and we'll see if this thing actually works or not. Okay, I'm back 6 hours later. This is frozen. Now I noticed in the instructions it said, for best results, avoid diet sodas or sugar-free drinks, as those will not freeze as well as normal soda or juice. Okay, so I've got some Gatorade here. Put that in. Put that in. Then according to the instructions, somehow it freezes, and then you squish it. I'm not sensing any magic here. Okay, we'll let it sit for a second or two. When I was a kid, we used to have these mugs that were insulated, and you'd put them in the freezer, and then the cola would freeze around the edges, and then you'd scoop that out. So I'm guessing this is what this is based on, but that is not a Slurpee. Look at that. Lied to by packaging. Who'da thunk it? No, it's not freezing anything. There's a little couple frozen particles. Well, you know what? Maybe if you Put it in the fridge or the freezer. But yeah, this is a dud. Well, I could see why it was on sale. I'll see if I have the bill. I might take it back. But easy as 1, 2, 3. Not quite. Look at that. The Kool-Aid man lied to me. Wow. What a dud. I feel ripped off. He promised me magic. All I got is a lumpy cup. Oh well, lesson learned. Save yourself some money. Don't buy this. Okay, hold on. I don't want it to be said that I've misled anyone. I let this thing sit while I was editing the video, and look at that. Magic. I guess the magic happens when you're not looking. Now, there would have been more here, but my better half chugged it while I wasn't looking, so I didn't get to show you the full cup, but son of a gun. It did turn into a Slurpee. Look at that. Lesson is, wait for magic. Hold on, I'm going to have a sip, see how it is. Damn. Look at that. Proven wrong. Don't jump to conclusions. Trust the Kool-Aid man. But hopefully not to give you that. Okay, there we go. Now you know. Wait patiently, and the magic will happen.